Hello, my name is Dylan Solopek, and this is a quick run-through of an unemployment rate time series web application written in D3. This application allows users to select states from a map and visualize the unemployment rate from 1978 to the most currently obtained data, which is July of 2016. This data was obtained from the Bureau of Labor Statistics website. The topmost graph is the graph that the data is focused on here, while the graph underneath serves as a time interval slider as well as a contextual representation of the interval with respect to the entire dataset. The x-axis represents the time in years, while the y-axis represents the unemployment rate percentage. When selecting a state, the resulting line is displayed immediately. And here's an example. So New Mexico, for example, was selected, and here is the data line from 1978 until 2016. You can choose other states to compare to, and they will show up with different colors to minimize ambiguity and complexity. So when you hover over a time series line, a little tooltip will show up displaying the name of the state that the data came from, as well as highlighting the state on the map below. You can choose to look at different states in order to minimize ambiguity and make it easier to distinguish the lines from each other. When you want to start a new time series, you can just hit clear all, and you can choose if you'd like to include the national rate or not, or if you'd like to show all 50 states. So for example, if you'd like to include the national rate and some arbitrary number of states, and you would like to zoom in on a time interval from 1990 until, let's say, 2005. Here, you would be able to see the national unemployment rate, which represented on the map is dashed lines for borders. Now, when you hover off of the unemployment rate for the national data, the lines go back to solid lines. You can clear all of here as well. So now, if you'd like to include all 50 states, come down here and click all 50 states. And here's the resulting time series. And so if there's any unique or any kind of data bumps that you'd like to actually visualize and go deeper into, you can go here and slide to that interval to reveal these specific data lines. Now, because there are so many data lines, it's really hard to distinguish which state is which. So you can just come over here and, like before, hover over the specific data line, and it will represent the line or the state on the map. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.